When you deploy pods in Kubernetes, each pod will get an IP address. But if a pod crashes or is deleted and a new pod is created in its place, it is most likely to receive a new IP address. So when your application components need to talk to each other within the Kubernetes cluster using pod IP addresses, actually it is not practical. In addition to that, when you are using deployments or replica sets to deploy your application, there will be more than one pods running at a moment. So you need another layer to group these pods together as a networking service such that networking service will load balance the traffic and provide a DNS name to access all of these pods. Look at this example. You have the same app deployed in pod 1, 2 and 3 and it is running on port 8080. All pods of this app has the same label app. The value is my app. To allow other pods or the apps to access these pods as a group, we create a service. Service name is my app. Service port is 80. Target port is the container port. To which pods do I need to send the traffic if I receive a traffic on this service port 80 is defined with the selector by providing the pod labels. So once you have the service in place, the other pods in the namespace will be able to connect to this my app service with the service discovery using the service name. Hence, it is http://myapp-port80 and then this is called as the internal service discovery. In Kubernetes, service discovery is implemented with auto-generated service names that maps to the service's IP address. This is handled by kubedns, which is the DNS server inside the Kubernetes cluster. Within the same namespace, you can access the services directly with the service name, as you see in the example, http://myapp-port80. But if you want to access the services in another namespace, you will be accessing it with the service name .namespace.svc.cluster.local. Kube proxy service, which is running in each node, will make the forwarding traffic rule configurations in each node such that when you receive a traffic into the service's IP address, it will send that traffic into the match pods with the selector labels. There are multiple types of services. Let's discuss these service types one by one.